Hello, my name is Frank. I'm in the e-commerce business since 10 years now, and before that I was a graphic designer, so I came across a lot of projects, a lot of businesses. I started a lot of businesses, and I always felt the freedom of being able to just create all the graphics that I needed. So whatever you do in the web, whatever you do in the internet, you need graphic design at some point. So this could be a roadblock for a lot of people, and I helped a lot of people to move on with their projects. And I figured out that the best way to help you would be to just create some micro tutorials for you to make you independent from other people, to make you independent from graphic designers. I would not say that you don't need a professional design at some point, and I'm not saying that you have to learn all of this by yourself, but to get going, to get a project started, to just not waste time and I don't know, be blocked because of that is my aim with this channel. So I will create a lot of small micro tutorials for you. So whenever you have a question or something that is holding you back, reach out to me and I try to make a video out of it, upload it on YouTube, send you a link, and we can create let's say a little library that will help you to just get going. So that's my goal with this channel. I hope you enjoy the videos. I'm not native English speaking dude, so be a bit humble with that, so I can continue grow with this. And yeah, let's see how we can create something together.